Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain that how to download and install Qt Creator. So first of all, open your Chrome and enter Qt Creator. And after that, press Enter key and here you can see this first link, and this is official website of Qt, www.qt.io. So click here this first link, and after it you can see next option, download Qt button. This is download Qt button, so press this button, and after it you can see some options, download Qt for Windows, download QA. These are some options for downloading Qt, but these are not open source. So we will go to this download open source link because we want to download open source edition. So press here, and after it you can see further options. Scroll down, and again down. So here you can see download the Qt online installer. So click here, and after it you can see further options for your operating systems. If you are using Mac OS operating system, so click here, and if you are using Linux, so click here, but I am using Windows operating system, so I will choose this option. And here you can see Qt online installer for Windows. If you want to this online edition, so click here, and after it your downloading will be started, but I want to download this offline edition, so I will click here offline packages, and after it you can see some options like Qt6 source packages, 5.15.x source packages, and I have to download this 5.12.x offline installers. So I will click here, and after you can see Linux host, Mac OS host, and Windows host. Because I am using Windows operating system, so I will click here. Its size is 3.7 GB. So click here and your downloading will be started. After completing your downloading, go to your downloads, and here you can see my file is successfully downloaded. So I will click here twice, and after it you can see, so this is our installation windows. If you are not signed up, so you will click here this link, sign up, and here you will provide your Gmail, and after it you will enter here password, and then you will confirm your password. After it you will click here in this checkbox, and then you will press next button. But I was already signed up, so I will choose this login, and after it I will confirm my Gmail and password, and after it I will press this next button. And after some time you can see further two check boxes. First is to agree with terms and condition, so I will click here, and other is for I am an individual and do not use Qt for any company. If you are not using this Qt for any company, then you will check here. But if you are using any company or organization, then here you will provide your company or organization name. So after it I will press this next button, and again I will press this next button. So this is by default path. You can change by pressing this browser button, but I will go along with this default by default path, and then I will press this next button again, and here you can see this checkbox is clicked, and after it I will press this next button, and here you can see Qt developer and designer tool, and this is unchecked. I will choose compiler by clicking here, and I will open it, and I will click here to select a compiler. So I will choose this compiler MinGW 7.3.6. 64 bit. If you are using 32-bit, then you can choose this option also. And I will choose also this MSVC for 64-bit. And after it, you can choose other packages, but I will select only these two compilers. And after it, I will press this next button again. And after it, I will click here in this checkbox. I have read and agreed to the terms and condition in the license agreements. And then press this next button again. And then press this next button again. And press install button. And after our installation is started, so you will wait for some time. So my installation process was successful, and here you can see now this finish button. We have successfully completed all these processes, and I want to launch this Qt creator. So I have checked this checkbox, and after it I will press this finish button, where we will try to create a small program or project for an output string hello world. So after waiting for a small time, here you can see uh, this. I will press this welcome, and now I want to create a new project. So I will press this new button, and here you can see further two options. First is Qt widget application, and other is Qt console application. So I will go along with this Qt widget applications. I will decrease the size of this window, and after it you can see there are two buttons in the bottom of this window, and I will press this choose button. And after it you can provide a name for your project, and I will uh, create a name for my project first. Okay. And where do you want to save your this project? You can choose any path, but I will go along with this by default path. And after it I will press next, and here you can see further more options: qmake, cmake, qbs, but I will go along with this qmake. And after it I will press next button again, and here is some information according to your class. This is our class information windows. Main window, this is class name. Base class is q main window, and header file is main window dot h. Source file is main window dot cpp, and from file main window dot ui, I mean user interface. You will press only this next button, and here you can translate your file, but I will go along with this by default, that is none. And after it I will press this next button again, and here you will choose a compiler or kit. These are available kits, so I will choose the second kit, Qt main GW 64-bit. Okay, and then I will press next button again, and now press finish button. And after it you can see here we will type our code. So I will remove this code or this piece of code. Okay, and here this is our header file, main window.h, and I want to display a string hello world. So I will include a header file, sorry, with sharp include, and my header file is q debug. Okay, q debug. So I can select from options, and after it now I want to display a simple string. So I will use here statement q debug. Here you can see this q debug function, and after it I will use parenthesis because this is a function. Okay, q debug, this is a function. And now I will use this pair of less than signs, and after it, because this is a string, so here I will use pair of double comma, and here I will type hello world. Okay, you can type any kind of string, and after it uh, choose or select your semicolon, and after it here you can see this is our compile or run button, and after pressing it you will able to see output, and that is hello world. Okay, so after compiling this process or code, you will see that this is our hello world string. So this is simple execution of our code. So this was our video. In this video I tried to explain that how to download and set up our Qt created, and after it I tried to test a simple piece of code. So this was successful. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. So if you liked this video, please like and share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.